How to change game modes in Clash Royale. If you want to switch game modes in Clash Royale, here is how you can do it in just a few simple steps. Open your Clash Royale application. From the screen, you can tap onto this icon. You will see a different tabs like Path of Legend, Party Mode, Special Challenges and Tournament. You just have to tap and select it. You just have to simply tap on Party Mode for fun game modes like 2 vs 2, Draft and Mega Deck. If you are looking for ranked battles, go to the Path of Legend. For time limited modes, you can check out Special Challenges. Once you have selected a mode, tap Battle and the game will start in your chosen format. And that's it. Now you know how to change game modes in Clash Royale.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.